Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. I just wanted to stop by and say hello, and please forgive the noise in the background. The children next door are out in the yard playing. It's a gorgeous day. The temperature is, today is March 27th, I believe. It's Friday. The sun is out. It's gorgeous. It's like 73 in the sunshine, but the temperature's only about 50. So first off, I just wanted to say we're all fine here. The last 2 weeks have really been crazy getting ready. I'm fortunate enough to work for a company that I can now work from home, so I only go in twice a week to pick up paperwork. I don't even have to see anyone. They leave it out on the front stoop for me, so I'm very lucky in that regard. Family's doing well. We're getting ready for 2 weeks at home. Yeah, you know, we're doing what everybody else is doing. So this year, though, we're going to try to plant even more food so that way we can help our family and friends out when all of this is over. Today, I'm going to be transplanting my Elsa Craig onions, and I just thought I'd stop in, say hello, share a little bit of this with you, let you know that I'm thinking about all of you. I've contacted a couple by email. Check your emails, because if you haven't done a video in the past couple weeks, just wanted to make sure that you're okay. Keep gardening, getting out, doing what you can do. I don't really know what else to say, but be safe. There's a lot of craziness going on out there in the world. Please keep all the first responders, policemen, firemen, in your thoughts. Both my son and daughter-in-law are paramedics, so it's a little bit crazy. And, you know, I worry about Princess. So, but everybody's fine so far, and I hope it stays that way. So, just keep them in your thoughts. All right, let's get to these onions. These are Elsa Craig that I planted on February 4th. I sowed the seeds for. I'm gonna put that label right in here. And I've filled the cell tray with some compost. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tease these out with a pencil. I made sure that the soil was very moist. I could probably even dip them into water to loosen them up a bit better. But remember, in my last video when I did the onion sits, I talked to you about onion roots. Look at those roots, just unbelievable. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to separate these. Some of them are very, very tiny. Some are a little bit larger, but that's okay. I have plenty of cells to put them in. And what we will do, I'll just do a couple, because I know you don't need to see all this. I just wanted to come by and say hello, let you know we're doing well. So what I'm going to do, look at those lovely roots. We're just going to tease them down into the hole that I've made. Now there's several ways to do this, but I find that this way works best for me. And then what I do is just cover it. Just put it in just right about where it was in your cell tray, or in your seed tray. I used a mushroom box this time, but just where the white of the onion is. And that's the way we roll with these. We just put them right in, and then they'll sit in these trays for probably another 2 months before I actually get them out in the garden. So I hope whatever you're doing today, you're having some peace in your life, and that you're feeling good. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Happy gardening.